Hey everybody, this is Roger Eastlick, and in this video we're going to show you how to set up your web hosting account. The first thing we did is show you in a video how to choose a great domain name for your business website. Second video we showed you, in the last video we showed you how to register that domain name, and in this video we're going to show you how to connect the domain name and set up your web hosting so that you're all ready to go and you can start your website, whether it be HTML based or WordPress. Subsequent videos, actually we already have a video out on the site that deals with installing WordPress in a couple different ways, so you can look at that under the WordPress section. But for right now we want to talk about HostGator and setting up your WordPress or your hosting company. So HostGator.com, a large hosting company. It says it hosts over 9 million domains. I've been using it for a couple years. It seems quite reliable. I'm quite happy with it. I've not found a hosting company yet that's absolutely flawless, so you got to take that into consideration. But these guys seem to be very good. Fairly cheap. They are definitely in line with most other hosting companies that offer the same kind of service. So let's get down to how you'd actually do that. First thing you're going to want to do is type in HostGator, HostGator.com. It'll bring you to this page. Then you'll see right here in the middle of the page it says View Web Hosting Plans. You want to click on that. Scroll down the page a little bit and you're going to see you've got 3 plans. The one that I highly recommend is the Baby plan. It's the one that I have. The advantage of the Baby plan over the cheaper Hatchling plan is that the Hatchling plan limits you to 1 domain. So if you do a second domain, which if you get into this at all, there's a good chance you'll probably want a second website for something. Then guess what? You're going to have to pay twice the price for a second domain, whereas if you start out at the Baby plan, then it gives you unlimited domains, unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth. You can host as many sites as you want on there, and you're good to go. Probably do well for most people. Okay, you'll see here it starts at $6.36 a month. That's if you pay for like 3 years. You probably just want to go month to month and not put a lot of money up front. That comes down to $7.96. You're going to see, I'm going to give you a code that's going to make it cheaper for you. So you want to click on, after you've selected your plan, for example the monthly, then click on Order Now. Okay, and we already have a domain, so we're going to click on I already own this domain, and we're going to type in from the first video or the second video where we register our domain name, and the one I registered was called psdgenesis.com. So I'm going to type that in here. Okay, it tries to sell you some more stuff. It's going to do that. Just kind of ignore it. We've got the Baby package for a 1-month cycle, and then they're going to want you to pick a username and a security pin. So you can go ahead and type that in there. The security pin, 4 to 8 characters long, may only contain numbers. And then you're going to want to put your billing number in and your credit card information in. I would uncheck the anything that's checked down here. And you'll notice down here the coupon Snappy gives you a price of $7.96 at the time of this video. What you're going to want to do is delete the Snappy for $7.96 and put in WP Get Started. That's WPGETSTARTED, Get Started, WP Get Started. Click on Validate. When you do that, you're going to notice this price is going to drop a little bit. So it's dropped from $7.96 to $7.46. Not a big deal, but gives you a little bit of a discount. You click on the I have read and agreed to the terms of service, and then you're going to click on Create Account. Okay, I clicked on that button at the bottom of the last page, and they really try to, stuff you with upsells, but just ignore them and click out of it. So says thank you. An email will be sent to my email address, the required information for using your account. So let's go and see what that is. Okay, so HostGator sends you a email. Looks something like this. It has the important stuff is that it tells you where your control panel is, which you can click on. It shows you your username, your domain, the password, and tells you what your name servers are. Also your server IP, but probably the most important thing are you're going to need to know these name servers. Okay. So that sets up the initial hosting. The next thing we need to do, which I think we'll do in a separate video, is we need to actually point your domain name, which is over there at Namecheap, over to HostGator. So in the next video I'll show you that. This is Roger Eastlick. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Again, make sure if this helped you, please share, comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.